So, anonymous person, semicolon, hyphen, semicolon asks, can you do a tutorial on how to make fractals in Minecraft? And I replied, okay, bro. So, here we are in Minecraft. And in Minecraft, we're going to create some fractals. Now, okay, so I'm going to create a new world. So, I'm going to call it Fractals. And it's going to be creative mode. I want it to be a super flat world because that way it's easiest to build because there's just a ton of empty space. Generate structures off so there's no villages in the way. And allowed sheets on. So that's good. Create a new world. And the loading screen. And it's 20%, 67%. And okay. And also because slimes are annoying, / difficulty peaceful. That way slimes won't spawn in. Okay, so we're gonna start at the coordinate 0, 0. So /TP 0, 10, 0. Alright, so this block right here is 0, 0. Let me check. It is, yes, it is. So let's get our blocks. So I want to make mine out of obsidian. So I'm gonna get obsidian. And I'm also gonna get grass in case I accidentally dig a hole that I don't want to, so I can fill it in. So anyway, here we have this obsidian here, and it is 0, 0, right? Now I also want to place a block at 0, 3. I mean at 3, 2, 2, right here. Okay, wait. Is that a pink sheep? Okay, I'm distracted, but that's a pink sheep. That's so rare. Okay, that's cool. Back to the task. Anyway, so we're going to do the same fractal that we did when I said how to make fractals in Python. So we're going to have this donut shape here made out of obsidian. It's an obsidian donut. I'm pretty sure it tastes terrible. But anyway, so we're going to use this /clone command. So the way /clone works is you give it a range of blocks and give it a set of coordinates, and it'll clone the blocks to those coordinates. So the blocks that we want to clone are the blocks between 0, 4, 0, no, 0, 3, 0, which is this block right here, and 2, 0, 2, which is this block right here. So here's how we're going to do it. /clone 0, 3, 0, and 2, 3, 2. So that's the range of blocks. And then you have to give it a place to clone them to. So I'm just going to say 0, 10, 0, just to show that it works. And you can see that it's up here. Alright, so now that you see that this works, now how are we going to use this to make fractals? So what I said in the previous video is, the way this works is we make a donut out of donuts, and then we use those donuts to make a donut out of those donuts out of those donuts. So, it's just a donut stacked upon a donut upon a donut. Anyway, so I'll show you how it works. So, I'm going to make these donut shapes into a donut shape. So, we're going to start at 0, 3, 0, this block right here, and 2, 3, 2. So we're gonna, and we want to clone all of this to right here. So /clone 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, and then the block that I'm looking at right now. So if you want to do that, you just hit tab, tab, tab. That's how it gives you the coordinates of the block that you're looking at right now. So if I do that and I hit enter, apparently they overlap, so hold on. 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2. Oh wait, I see what I did wrong. Okay, hold on. It's this block. /clone 0, 3, 0, 2, 2, 3, 2, and then tab, tab, tab. Okay, so now we've cloned this block from here to here, and we want 3 of them in a row. So /clone 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, and then tab, tab, tab. Okay, so now that we've got these in a row, we want to make it into a donut shape. So I'm going to put it right here. So /clone 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, tab, tab, tab. And it's there. And same thing again, /clone 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, tab, tab, tab. And then slash clone. This is the same thing over and over again. 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2. Tab, tab, tab. And we have to put 2 more down. Slash clone. 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2. Tab, tab, tab. And 1 more. It's right here. Slash clone. 0, 3, 0. 2, 3, 2, tab, tab, tab. Alright, so now we've made a donut shape out of donut shapes. Now we want to take this donut shape and make a donut out of it. So this time we're going to do it differently. So we start with the 0, 3, 0 we had before. And then, but this time instead of 2, 3, 2, it's this corner, which is 8, 3, 8, which is this block right here. So we start here, slash clone, 0, 3, 0, 8, 3, 8, not 2, 3, 2, 8, 3, 8, tab, 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 and now we've cloned that whole thing. Now, slash clone, 0, 3, 0, 8, 3, 8, tab, tab, tab. Okay, the sheep is now standing on my fractal. Die, sheep! Die! 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 And I also made a ton of holes because of that sheep. And this was an obsidian block, right? Yeah, okay. Anyway, continuing on. So, the next one is right here. It doesn't matter what order you do them in. But anyway, I'm going to get this up. Slash clone. 0, 3, 0. 8, 3, 8, tab, tab, tab. Okay. Slash clone, 0, 3, 0, 8, 3, 8, not 7, 8, tab, tab, tab. Okay. Now, slash clone, 0, 3, 0, 8, 3, 8, tab, tab, tab. See, it's very simple. Now we have 2 more to do. Slash clone, 0, 3, 0, 8, 3, 8, tab, tab, tab. And 1 more. Slash, wait, am I doing this right? I want to make sure I'm doing it right. Right there. Slash clone, 0, 3, 0, 8, 3, 8, tab, tab, tab. Okay, that's off. Okay, I'll fix that later. Yeah, it's supposed to be here. Slash clone, 0, 3, 0, 8, 3, 8, tab, tab, tab. And then I just need to break this part and replace it with grass. Doop, 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 doop. Doop, 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 doop. Bing, 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 bong, bing, bong, bing, bing, bong. Okay, so now we've made the fractal even bigger. I think I'm going to make the fractal 1 more bigger, and then I think we'll be done. So, right here is 0, 3, 0, right? 0, 3, 0. This block right here. And then over here is... I need to figure out the coordinates of this block. And it's 26, 3, 26. It's that block. So now, we're doing this again. Slash clone. And let's turn off. I'll do that later. Slash clone. 0, 3, 0. 26, 3, 26. Tab, tab, tab. Okay. Let's turn this off. Slash clone. 0, 3, 0. 26, 3, 26. Tab, tab, tab. Okay. Slash clone. 0, 3, 0. 26, 3, 26. Tab, tab, tab. And it's about to be nighttime, so I'm gonna slash time set day. Much better. Okay. Slash clone 0, 3, 0. 26, 3, 26. Tab, tab, tab. Dang it. Yeah, I'll fix that. Sorry, I was looking at this block. I was supposed to be looking at this block. Slash clone 0, 3, 0. 26, 3, 26. Tab, tab, tab. Much better. Now I have to replace all this up here because, you know, I messed up. Mine. Okay, now this is gonna get really big. So, next one's over here. Okay, that one dirt block doesn't have grass on it. Much better. So we're gonna put it right here. Slash clone. You know the drill. 0, 3, 0, 26, 3, 26. Tab, tab, tab. And 2 more, and then we'll be done. Slash clone 0, 3, 0, 26, 3, 26, tab, tab, tab. Okay, now we have one more to do, and we need to do it right here where this one ends and the other one begins, which is right here. Slash clone 0, 3, 0, 26, 3, 26, tab, tab, tab. And that's the last one. And there you have it, folks. How to make fractals in Minecraft. And I could keep repeating this process over and over and over again and make this huge, but I think I'll just leave it like this. Now, if you get a map like this, and I create a map, you can see part of the fractal on the map. Now, if I go off the map, I should be able to make another. Yeah, okay. I think the rest of it will be over here. Yeah, there we go. Now if I get an item frame, and I think I can display this thing on a wall, like this. Wrong one. Okay, and now I just need a green one, so, oh, no, it's not. I gotta go up here. And now I just drop this one right there. Okay, I did that wrong. Hold on. Let's try this again. Is this it? Dang it, I cannot seem to understand how this works. I have to go up here. That's how you do it. Yeah, that's it. Up. Wait, what? There we go. Anyway, there it is. Now, we have this fractal on a map. Now, there are other fractals you can do, but for now, I just want to do this one, so that's it for the video, and goodbye.